Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to testing out some viral hot glue gun hacks to see whether they work or not. So today's video like target is 250 likes. Let's see that we'll achieve this target or not. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So in this hack we are going to make our own spray nozzle. So first let's just remove our spray nozzle from this bottle. Now we have to just take our hot glue gun and make a perfect circle around this tube. So you can see that I'm not able to cover this tube with hot glue. So I think that I need my mom's help. So I will be right back. After taking my mom's help, we get something like this. Well, this is not perfect, but it's okay. So our next step is that we have to take a pin and make a hole inside it like this. Well, this takes so much time, but now let's see that this hack works or not. So you can see that it is not working. Like it is not working. I think that this hack is gonna work, but no, this hack doesn't work. And now I'm struggling to remove this hot glue from this bottle and this is not coming out. So this hack is completely fake. Don't try this at home. So in this hack we have to take our toothbrush and then we have to take parchment paper and we have to cover the upper part of it with it. So just let's start covering it. So I covered it with parchment paper and I taped it completely. Now just take your hot glue gun and cover it with hot glue. Now we have to just leave it until it dry completely. So now it is completely dry. Let's just take it out. So it comes out kinda easily. Now let's just remove the parchment paper from it. So you can see that I'm not able to remove the parchment paper from it and now our toothbrush is not even getting inside it. So this hack is also fake. Don't try this at home. So in this hack we are going to make portable hot glue matches. So just take out one match out and then apply hot glue on it. Now we have to wait until it dry. So now our hot glue is completely dry. So let's just test it. So you can see that this hack works, but instead of buying 5 rupees wali Fevikwik, we are going to waste our so much time in it. So yeah, this hack works, but it's your choice if you want to try this. I don't know that what kind of hack is this, but you have to just take your color pencils and then you have to put them just like this. Now we have to just take our hot glue gun and apply on these color pencils like this. Now we have to wait until it dries completely. So now our hot glue is completely dry and it looks kinda good. So let's just test it. Well, this hack works, but what if you want to sharpen these pencils, and what if you use sketch pens instead of pencils? Because if you use sketch pens, then you have to put caps on them and it is difficult to put caps on them like this. So for me, this hack doesn't work. So in this hack they are making a flower vase, but I don't have itna bada glass, so we'll try to make a pen stand with it. So just take your glass and then apply hot glue gun on it. So let's start. So now it is completely covered with hot glue. So we have to do one more thing, which is waiting. So we have to wait until it dries completely. So now it is completely dry, so let's just remove it. So after so much struggle, we get this. Well, it looks good. Now let's see that it is able to hold something or not. So here I am going to put some color pencils. So let's see. No, it is not holding color pencils. So let's just put something else in it. So now I'm going to put some erasers in it. So you can see that it holds erasers very easily and it looks good also. So this hack works. You can also try this at home. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.